So today we talk about the root and the shoot concept of disease. So for those of you who love gardening, you would have very often found that when weeds come up in your garden and you want to pull them out, you feel the roots would be small, but when you pull them out, there is a lot of strength needed because the shoots are so small and the roots have gone deeper in a few days or weeks time. Similarly, the disease concept of skin ailments like warts, boils, or eruptions, acne, very often people contact us saying, how many days will you need to treat these skin ailments? I always tell them the skin ailments are only the offshoots. The roots of your problem are deeper into the system. There is problem with the vitality, the vital force, the basic immune system. That is why these problems are coming up on the skin, and it is in a way a cry of the system for help. If you suppress these just by local application of ointments, that is not the answer. You are only suppressing the symptoms of an already diseased, stressed immune system. And then the system will go deeper and deeper, and other major organs might get affected from this prolonged suppression. If you feel that your skin problems are recurrent, you have warts coming up here and there, or eruptions always come up before your periods, or in men they feel their face is very oily and the eruptions, underarms also eruptions, or you have to use lot of deodorants, antiperspirants. They are all very very harmful. When you use them, your follicles, your sweat glands get blocked, you have serious problems. Hydradenitis is a very common problem these days. Earlier it was not so. It's all coming up because of the use of external applicants, antiperspirants, deodorants, and all these skin ointments which people are buying off the counter and using. They're all very harmful in the long run. Kindly contact your doctor. You can contact us at the Integrated Wellness Clinic. We understand these are cosmetic problems. We'll give you instant relief medications also. Our internal medicine specialist, Dr. Ruby, will help you so that you get immediate relief. I am the homeopath, Dr. Priya Kapoor. I'll see to it that you don't get these problems recurrently. Dr. Deepika Kohli, the nutritionist, will tell you, she will guide you what foods, or what changes in diet could help you reduce the recurrence of these symptoms. And together we'll give you a clean, healthy skin, and a healthy body, a healthy mind, healthy interior, healthy exterior. Kindly contact us as soon as possible. Jai Hind.